What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Acne scars can be really annoying, and unfortunately they can last for a long period of time if you don't treat them the right way. There are actually a lot of do's and don'ts that you should consider in order to get rid of your acne scars as fast as possible. While there are a lot of promising remedies against acne scars, only a few of them really work. And that is also why I created today's video, to simply show you what really works, and therefore help you to get rid of your acne scars as fast as possible. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash the like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Alright, let's hop into the video and start directly with number 1, use a chemical peeling. Chemical peelings are the right way to go when you struggle with acne scars. When you buy a chemical peeling, you should look for the ingredients glycolic acid and salicylic acid. They are both proven ingredients against acne scars and are definitely worth trying out. So step number 1 to get rid of your acne scars, you should definitely try out the chemical peelings and look for the ingredients glycolic acid or salicylic acid. Besides that, you can also visit your dermatologist and ask if they offer chemical peelings as well. When you do it at home, I would definitely recommend to do it twice per week so you can see some incredible results. Let's continue with number 2, you must use sunscreen on a daily basis even when it is cloudy. Sun exposure can make your acne scars and dark spots on your face even worse, and can also lead to further skin damage as well. Trust me, it is really so important that you invest in a high quality sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or even more. Simply because your skin needs time to rest and shouldn't be damaged any further. So while getting rid of your acne scars, make sure that you protect your skin against any further damage. Alright, let's continue with number 3, microneedling. Microneedling is definitely one of the most effective ways to treat your acne scars. It basically causes micro wounds, which forces your skin to produce new, healthy collagen, and therefore can heal the acne scars and damage on your skin. You can either do it by yourself by buying a Dermaroller, for example on Amazon, or you can also visit your dermatologist. I would personally recommend to start with a professional microneedling at your dermatologist, and later on you can also do it by yourself by using a Dermaroller. Let's continue with number 4, use a vitamin C serum. This will work especially when you have dark spots instead of deep acne scars. Vitamin C is proven to fade any dark spots and also protect your skin from any further damage. I would personally recommend to use it in the morning because it will also make your skin look more energized and more refreshed as well. And of course I will also link you the one that I'm currently using in the description of this video. Number 5, a laser treatment. If you got a higher budget and also want quicker results, you should maybe consider getting a laser therapy. Oftentimes the dermatologist or any other professional will offer a laser treatment against acne scars. And I personally also heard a lot of great experiences from it. So if you really struggle with your acne scars and you also tried out all the other hacks, maybe you should consider a laser treatment. And finally, number 6, work with a retinol serum. Retinol, also known as vitamin A, is one of the most effective ingredients against acne scars. The ingredient retinol is proven to work against acne scars and dark spots as well. But the key is definitely to be consistent with it and also invest in a high quality product as well. And by the way, if you want to try out some natural remedies against acne scars, I would definitely recommend to try out coconut oil, aloe vera and also lemon juice as well. They are all proven remedies against acne scars and dark spots, so definitely worth trying out. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys, see you in the next video.